Morning students, subject GK class 4th. Today we will start lesson number 2, superlatives of India. First we will do matching. The longest road, National Highway 44. This one D. The longest road D, National Highway 44. It is the longest running major north-south national highway in India. Second one is longest tunnel is Jawahar Tunnel. Jawahar Tunnel is also called Banihal Tunnel, named after the first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. Third one is highest dam, Tehri. Yes, K. Tehri Dam, that is a multi-purpose rock and earth-fill embankment dam on the Bhagirathi river near Tehri in Uttarakhand, India. Fourth one is longest lake, F. Vuller Lake. Vuller Lake is one of the longest freshwater lake in Asia. It is sited in Bandipora district in Jammu and Kashmir and India. Then next one is fifth, the highest waterfall, that is G. Jog Falls, is a wonderful waterfall on the Sharavati river located in the Western Ghat. Height is 253 meter or 830 feet. Then next one is sixth one is largest mosque. The largest mosque E. Jama Masjid. Jama Masjid, it is in Delhi, built by the Mughal Empire Shah Jahan and completed in 1656. It is the largest mosque in India. Then seventh, longest beach. The longest beach is B. Marina Beach. About Marina Beach, it is in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India, along the Bay of Bengal. Then eighth, number 8 is largest stupa. Then Sanchi Stupa is on A. Sanchi Stupa, it is the Buddhist complex famous for its great stupa on a hilltop at Sanchi town in Resan district of the state of Madhya Pradesh. Next one is ninth, the largest church. Largest church, number J. Saint Cathedral. Saint Cathedral. Yes, next one is the largest auditorium. The largest auditorium, Shanmukh Nanda. Shanmukh Nanda L. Shanmukh Nanda L is one of the largest of its kind in Asia. The main objective of the Sabha is to promote the fine arts. The next one is 11. 11 is the longest dam. Longest dam, yes, C. Hirakud Dam. Hirakud Dam. It is built across the Mahanadi river in the state of Odisha. Its length is 27 kilometers. Then 12th, the largest plateau I. Deccan Plateau. Largest plateau in western and southern India. It rises 200 meters in north and to more than 100 meters in south. Then come on IQ test. This one your extra question. Find out the name of the longest and highest aerial ropeway in India. The answer is Gulmarg Gondola. Gulmarg. Gulmarg. Gandola. Gondola. About 4 kilometer ride. Then did you know Birla Planetarium situated at Kolkata is the largest planetarium in India? So what is the name of the largest planetarium in India and where? Birla Planetarium at Kolkata. So next one is the extra question. What is planetarium? So the planetarium conducts sky shows every day at different times in different languages. It includes the solar system, seasons, eclipse, earth, man to moon, etc. So it is okay. Have a nice day.